Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're enabling your iPhone as a hotspot right now. First, make sure your cellular plan allows tethering and you have data left. This avoids surprise throttles. Once done, open Settings, tap Cellular, then Personal Hotspot and switch it on. Set a clear, strong Wi-Fi password and note the network name so other devices can find it. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled. If you prefer USB, have a lightning cable ready. These steps get you connected quickly and securely. Now choose how devices will join. Use Wi-Fi when multiple devices need internet, Bluetooth for lower power draw, or USB for the fastest, most reliable single device link. To connect via Wi-Fi, select your iPhone's SSID and enter the password. For Bluetooth, pair the two devices in their Bluetooth settings. For USB, plug the cable and trust the computer. Once connected, watch the blue status bar or hotspot icon in Control Center to confirm connectivity and data flow, and make adjustments if speed seems slow. Finish by disconnecting devices you no longer need and turn off Personal Hotspot to save battery and close access. Also limit simultaneous connections in settings to prevent unexpected data use, and keep an eye on your cellular data meter. If a device won't join, restart your iPhone first, toggle Wi-Fi and Personal Hotspot off and on, and try again. Make sure the client device is near and Bluetooth or USB pairing is accepted. If problems persist, check carrier support for hotspot on your plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.